My goodness, you're not ready for the unlimited styles you can achieve with this twist. Watch till the end, so I'll show you my simple tip and hack on how I do it by myself. First, you need an extension. Today we're going to be making use of this one from QVR. This is their new reddish brown Afro bulk human hair Kinky. Second, you need to go ahead and part your hair. I actually went to someone to help me part it, so it's going to be easier for me. Next thing, do not twist your hair dry. I mean, you can, but if you're a natural hair keeper or you have hair on your head, you need to care for your hair. And the best way is to moisturize your hair and give it good oil, so your hair would be growing underneath your twist. Copy that? I hope you do. The fourth step to take is to separate your kinky. And of course, the fifth one is to go ahead and start braiding and twisting the hair. I said braiding first before twisting because you have to secure the roots of your hair by braiding it 2 to 3 times. Then you go ahead and start twisting. But then my simple method is, let me tell you what I do. Please do not judge me, okay? While doing my own twist myself, do you know what I do? I do knotless at the front line and at the middle line. Just the front mainly and the middle for middle part. And then the rest of the hair is box braids. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying this. But that's honestly how I do it, because honey, I'm not ready to be giving myself kinky one by one. You know, like it takes about 4 different kinky to make up one if you're making knotless braids, or at least 3. And I don't have that patience, so I just do that at the front and then go ahead to do box braids. But then you can choose to do box braids throughout. Trust me when I say it's still going to turn out amazing, and you can style it in multiple ways. You will love this style, trust me. If you're still watching this video and you're enjoying it, please do subscribe to my channel and join this family. We do hair tutorials here, and I am so happy to have you here. Welcome. For my old subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming back. God bless you. Now back to the tutorial. Another thing you need to do while doing mini twists, if you can watch a movie on your phone, on your laptop, anywhere, please engage by watching a movie. It gets tiring at some point. You may start excited, but at some point you get tired, so please have a movie or something to keep you busy. And it's literally not a must to finish it on that same day you started it. I finished up half on this day, then the next day I finished the rest up. So in order for it to come out nice, just take your time to make your hair. There's something about this color, it's giving fire vibes because it's reddish brown. It's not red, it's not brown, it is reddish brown. So you need to try this next. In case you've been trying black and you want something new, please try this. More details in my description box. Go and check it out. And of course, we are still twisting. At this point, I wouldn't say I was getting tired because I knew I still had a long way to go. But then this part was knotless. As I said, this middle line, then the front was knotless. Then the rest were box braids. Another simple thing you can do, as I said, you can do this style yourself or just take the inspo and go to someone to help you make it. Let me confess to you guys, I did half of it by myself. I wanted to do everything by myself, but I wasn't having it. There was no time. We were making my mom's hair alongside mine, so everything was just a lot, and I had a lot of videos to edit. As I said, if you're not up for the challenge, please meet someone to do it for you. This style is not for the faint-hearted. Do keep on watching as I make the last section. Okay, it was at this moment I knew I wasn't going to complete this hair myself, because no, there was no way, so someone helped me out. This was the next day, and we're going to be making use of this water to define this hair. My favorite part about human hair kinky is all you need to maintain it is water. Then you can make use of mousse and leave-in conditioner, but mainly water. So when I'm in a hurry, not even in a hurry, majorly when I'm going out, I make use of only water on the hair and I'm out the door. And that was what she was trying to achieve. I'm not going to lie, despite the entire water she sprayed on my hair, it was still not enough. I had to like drench it with water. That's when you see the beauty, when your hair is drenched with water, and you can go ahead to apply mousse on it. Look at how relaxed it's looking. I love human hair kinky. I always leave out a section for my baby hairs at the front of my hair because I'm a baby hair person, okay? It just beautifies my hair and makes it look even better. I can't skip this step. So this is basically how I do the edges. I apply gel first, black gel, then I apply the ash one because the ash one is the one that would make it stay and last longer. Now it's time for the show. I'm going to be showing you some ways to style this hair, and if you want more, part B is coming soon where I showed you 10 different ways to style mini twists. Trust me when I say you don't want to miss that video, so do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on anything. You can also share this to all those people you know who like mini twists, like your mom, your auntie, your sister, your friend. Trust me, they'll appreciate the styles I am going to show you in this video. I am going to leave you to enjoy how I styled my hair, but before then, please leave in the comments, tell me the one you like, style number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Just tell me the one you like in the comment section. Okay, so I'm back here to say goodbye to you guys. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Do subscribe once again and see you in my next video where I show you how to style your hair in 10 different ways. Bye.